In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate a credit card without a social security number and explain when it may or may not be possible. Later in this video, I'll also share a powerful platform businesses use to manage international payments and global financial operations more efficiently. Some credit card issuers only require basic card details for activation, such as the card number, expiration date, security code, or zip code. In these cases, you may be able to activate the card online or through the bank's app without entering an SSN during activation. However, many banks still require identity verification before fully activating or using the card. This can include a social security number, ITIN, passport, or other government-issued identification depending on the issuer. To activate the card, go to the official activation website listed on the card sticker or call the phone number provided by the bank. Then follow the instructions and enter your card information. If the issuer requests verification and you don't have an SSN, contact customer support to ask whether alternative documents like an ITIN or passport are accepted. Keep in mind that prepaid cards and secured cards sometimes have more flexible verification requirements compared to traditional unsecured credit cards. Now if you run a business or handle international payments, check out Airwallex. It's a global financial technology platform that helps businesses manage international payments, treasury, and financial operations worldwide. You can learn more through the link in the description.